Some people say I've got 3 personalities. What do you think?
I don't know.
You say that all the time.
I know.
What about you? Is that what you can say?
No.
You've got a voice like him.
Ha. Ha.
So we need some funnier stuff. What can we say about parrots?
Hopefully nothing.
What can you say about parrots?
Hoo hoo.
That's all you can say?
No hoo.
No. Oh. Is he laughing at you? Arr. Very piratey. Right, say something else. Come on. Say something else funny. Say. What are you going to say?
No, is that winter discontent?
Say again.
No, is that winter?
No, it's not very good. Say again.
No.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, again.
No, is that winter discontent? Oh,
Oh, really? But you're not saying very much.
I know.
You sound like him.
I know.
Right, do some funny things. Now then, you two. Somebody's been stealing stuff out of my treasure chest.
It's not me.
Me?
It's him.
Him? Now, which one of you is lying? And which one of you is telling the truth?
He's lying. No, not he.
Well, I can't tell. Because one of you always tells the truth and one of you always lies. And I don't know who's who. So I'm going to have to try and figure it out with my brain which one's the liar. So, it's fruit that's gone missing. You both like fruit. So it could be either of you. And also some of me other treasures gone missing. Me pearl necklace. That could be you. Is it you? I figured it out. Powder monkey's done it. Right, that means you get no special treats tonight.
Ha!
You deserve a parrot treat. A pirate parrot. Parroting. Now, because you've been such a good boy, you're going to have to learn this parrot fashion.